One of the first pieces I've done for Westford, I didn't actually physically do the piece, I drew it up. I became aware that we had a couple firefighters who were killed in the line of duty, and there really wasn't anything around that I could point to say, hey, this is to memorialize our firefighters that died. And to me, it was really important that they be recognized for their sacrifice to the town. And I asked the chief at the time if I could come up with something for a monument. And so I drew up a firefighter's bell, the big black pedestal, and I actually drew up the plaque. And I did it with a couple pictures. I had some of the firefighters pose in different ways, and I drew the one I liked the most. And I sent it in a company to do that. And then Fletcher Granite donated the granite for me, and Garside Granite, he helped me install it. Of course, he made me dig the foundation and the footing, so there I am with a shovel digging the footings for him while he laughed and teased me the whole time. And then one of our firefighters, Jim Lammy, he came and he brought his bobcat and he helped me dig the site. So after it was all done, what I came from that was a couple different things. I thought, you know, here's something that I could do on my own. I could have done those plaques. I could have done that bell. Where before, I didn't really have the confidence in myself to do it. But after seeing it, I'm like, I think I could do that. And the other thing that I came from it was I liked the feeling of everyone coming together for such an important thing, or what I thought was important. And these people, like there were 300-400 people there for the dedication, and the families, and how important it was for them. That had a huge impact on me, that they would have confidence in me to do something like this.